And with the 4th of July now just around the corner, law enforcement agencies want to remind people of the different ordinances in the Siouxland area regarding fireworks. In Sioux City, they're only allowed to be fired off on July 3rd and 4th between 1 p.m. and 11 p.m. They are only permitted to be used on your property or on a property where written permission is given. No one under the age of 18 should buy, possess, or set them off without parental supervision. In South Sioux City, they can be used from 8 in the morning until 11 p.m. from July 2nd through the 4th. Fireworks not allowed in any public parks in the city without a permit. Over in North Sioux, fireworks can go off from 7 in the morning to 12:01 in the morning from now until July 5th. No one allowed to set them off on any city streets or city properties.